welcome to the channel. If you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Today we will be doing an unboxing and overview of the Vector Optics Nautilus 1x30 QD red dot, model number SCRD-26II. What's in the box? We have some instructions, some packaging, and the red dot optic, which, as you can see, is in a plastic bag. Also in the box, a cleaning cloth with a QR code. Might scan that in my spare time. And an Allen key. The packaging is quite sturdy, foam lined, and a piece of foam on top. Some of the features of this red dot sight: flip up caps. Actually, one flips up, one flips down. On the side here is where the battery goes. It takes one AAA battery, like so. We have windage and elevation, windage adjustments on the side, elevation adjustment on the top. The clicks feel quite positive. On the side here we have the on-off switch and two buttons to adjust the intensity of the red dot. On the top here is a sensor which senses the ambient light and adjusts the intensity of the red dot accordingly if that function is selected. To turn the red dot on, press this button once. If you want to use the ambient light feature, press it again. To turn the unit off, press and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. On the bottom of the box is all the specifications of the unit. Hopefully that's in focus and you can read it. The unit is now switched on and you can see the red dot. If we press this button here, we will see the intensity of the dot increase. There is 11 intensity settings, and if we look at the bottom of the unit here, we can see a quick detachable Picatinny mount. The two Allen screws here are to remove that mount if Picatinny is not your preferred mounting platform. The included Allen key fits these Allen screws. To mount the unit on your Picatinny rail, simply line up the slots and move this locking lever over. The locking lever is adjustable with this screw here. To remove it from your Picatinny rail, first you need to depress this little catch here, and then the unit will unlock. Here is a Picatinny rail I prepared earlier. Oh, that's not good. Full disclosure here, I purchased this unit with mine and Mrs. Boomer's hard-earned money. This is simply an overview and in no way any recommendation. That's better. Here is the unit mounted correctly on top of the barrels of my AK Churchill XM12 shotgun. As always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway. Thanks for watching.